Hello all, welcome to this video. In this video, we are going to learn something about the agile frameworks. What are the different agile frameworks we are having in the market? Okay, we have just gone through some concepts so that you can get the clarity about the other frameworks also. Okay, let's go ahead one by one. Okay, this is agile methods and the practices we can see. It's agile methodology used where and how. You can see in that pie chart, the coloring codes are there, right? So 56% the projects using Scrum for the software development, correct? 56%. Then 5% is the Kanban, 1% is the lean, that is for startup. Also 1% is the XP, also it is for startup projects, right? Then the iterative 3%, then the other are 6%. Scrum XP, we can use it as hybrid. We are going to see when we are using and what exactly how we can use in the product development about these agile methods. Okay, then the Scrumban, some companies are using, that is Kanban and Scrum, that is for 8%, and 14% is multiple methodologies. Some projects are using the Scrum, XP, Kanban, and Lean, so many. Okay, so this is some the pie chart conversation comparison or something you can say. Okay, here let's go ahead and see one by one. So this is the XP, extreme programming, has evolved from the problem caused by having long development cycles in traditional development model. Okay, small releases where we can use this in the startup projects. Okay, where we need some research and development POC kind of things. There we can use this extreme programming. Okay, you can see it's having also that PCDT, that cycle you can say. Okay, that is planning, designing, coding, and the testing, and then software increment again do it. Okay, while releasing. Okay, then again increment, planning, design, coding, and testing. In the planning, we can say user stories will be included, values, access, acceptance test criteria also mentioned, and the iteration path plan. Then in the design, you can say it's a simple design, spike solutions or something prototypes we can use. What exactly it's spikes? We can say it's we are going to take some things or features for the research purpose, research and developments purpose. Okay, so POC kind of thing. Okay, for the startup projects we can use this method. Then in the coding, you can say after coding done, you have to do the unit testing and the acceptance testing. It should be criteria mentioned by the user. Okay, yeah, and then we can release that product. Okay, this is kind of cycle for the XP. Then other method is the DSDM, that is dynamic system development method, a number one framework for RAD, RAD, right? Right. Yeah. So pre-project, you can see this is some chart I have given. Like you can see, it's a functional model iteration. Then this is a pre-project and post-project I have given, right? So in the pre-project, you can see it's a functional model iteration, agree plan. Then the prototype, can functional prototype, review the prototype and all the things. Okay. Then we have to design. In the design, we should again go through this steps: agree, plan, prototypes, and review design. Then we are going to do the implementation plan. Implementation also is should be the same: review business, train users, implement users, approval guidance, and so. So this is all get to the pyramid like feasibility study, business study. Okay, and then in the post project, we can do the adjustment of the amount. Correct. This is all about the dynamic system development method. Then the next one is the Kanban. You can see it's a Kanban board I have given here, where you are having like new request, approved, in progress, or completed. It's are like in new request means backlog. Okay. Then the approved one, in progress, and completed, that is backlog or to do list you can say. Then in progress, then the review task, and done. you can create these kind of things as well. Okay, so Kanban in the context of the software development provides a visual process management system that aids decision making concerning what to produce, when to produce it, and how much to produce. Okay, what, when, and how. Okay, this is Kanban one. You can put the POCs things as well in this. Okay, yeah, so that you can get the time in the here you can see you can get the names as well, where who is working on each task or something. Okay, whom to assign and who is working and what exactly progress of that task. You can if click on that each task, then you can get all the things. These are user stories. Okay, we are going to learn more in between in depth in next videos. Okay, just be with me. Yeah. So, next one is the Scrum, an agile framework that allows us to focus on delivering highest business value in the shortest time. Correct? Allows us to rapidly, repeatedly inspect actual working software every 2 weeks to 1 month, max 1 month. Okay, if we are new in that Scrum or something new agile businesses we are going to work, then we are using that 1 month or 3 weeks sprint. Otherwise, we are using 2 week sprint only. The business sets the priorities. Teams self organize to determine the best way to deliver the highest priority features, right? Because development team will decide which task we can go ahead with the next sprint, and business owners means the product owner, he will guide them dev team which are the priorities as per the business. Okay, yeah, so they both are decision maker in Scrum. Every 2 weeks to a month, anyone can see real working software and decide to release it as is or continue to enhance it for another. Correct? This is Scrum. So, Scrum origin, you can say initial Scrum was in 1993 found. Then the author of three books on Scrum in and they have found they are he is the founder of the Scrum.org organization is 2011. So after that, we are getting the certification and those things. Yeah. Yeah. So this all about some means we can say it's an informative video regarding the different frameworks of the agile. Just go through once and see what exactly and where your project is fit for that methodology. Okay, and if you have any concerns and if you are having any insights more, just comment with your knowledge as well. Please share with those that knowledge with us so that we can also gain some knowledge from your end. Okay, thank you.